In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard and what to expect when you pause Cloudflare for a domain, so you can troubleshoot or test your site without the proxy in the way. First, open your Cloudflare account by signing in through your web browser. This takes you to the main dashboard, where you'll see a list of all the domains you've added. Find the specific domain you want to work on and click it to open its overview. Make sure you're on the overview page for that domain, since that's where the setting we need is located. On the overview page, look to the right side of the screen for the panel labeled Advanced Actions. Scroll down within that panel until you see the option that says Pause Cloudflare on Site. When you click this, Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to proceed. Once paused, Cloudflare's proxy and performance features are bypassed for that domain, and traffic will connect directly to your origin server. A quick note on what this means. Pausing Cloudflare turns off features like caching, image optimization, and the web application firewall for that site. Your DNS will still resolve, but it won't go through Cloudflare's edge network. This is helpful if you're diagnosing SSL issues, checking origin server configuration, or confirming whether a problem is coming from Cloudflare or your hosting environment. Because you're removing the additional security and performance layer, it's best to use this as a temporary step while you test, then resume Cloudflare when you're done. If you don't see the Pause Cloudflare option in Advanced Actions, that's expected in some setups. For example, if the domain is connected using a partial setup, the pause control may not be available in the dashboard. In that case, the option being hidden doesn't mean anything is wrong. It simply reflects how that domain is integrated. You can continue managing your site as usual, and if you later move to a full setup, the pause option will appear in the same place. After you pause, give it a moment for changes to propagate. Refresh your site, clear your browser cache if needed, and run your tests. When you're finished, return to the same Advanced Actions panel and resume Cloudflare to restore your security and performance features. That's it. You've opened your Cloudflare account, selected the right domain, and used Advanced Actions to pause Cloudflare cleanly and safely.